Okay, so I was told that I should do a video of the components I'm building my own joystick, and so these are the components have arrived. So these are what they are. This is a set of 36 little pins. I've got a number of boards that I'm going to have to put through to a breadboard for prototyping. So that's what they'll be used for. I'm going to need 8 more than I miscounted. These are 4 little boards for turning itty-bitty surface mount components into through hole, which I'll need for mounting the sensors over here to be able to use them with the breadboard. These sensors are 2 MLX 90363 Hall effect sensors. This particular sensor is nice because it can actually track both the X and Y axis of the joystick. Down here I've got 2, they're actually very, very small magnets. You can see this is my stylus that I'm pointing with my tablet, so they're very small. They're stuck together on top of each other, and they're what the sensors actually pick up, is the magnetic field from them. Down here I've got 3 CD4021BE 8-stage shift registers. They're used to take all of the button inputs and output them serially when we are scanning for the buttons. These are all the little buttons that are going to go into the to being various triggers and hats and whatnot for the joystick. Over here I have the breadboard that I'm going to be using for prototyping. And then to the side of that I have the teensy 3.2 microcontroller. It's actually based on the Arduino software, but this one's nice in that it can be used as a USB device. So once I get it programmed and I plug it in the computer, it will just read as a joystick. It also has an SPI bus on it, which is a serial bus type, which is what we use to talk to the Hall effect sensors. That's really all the components that actually go into a joystick. They're surprisingly simple. So that's it.